Hello everybody, this is Cordia here. I'm going to do a demonstration on how to remove a throttle body. Okay, let's have a little close up. As you can see, that's a 1.8 litre throttle body injection. So these are the parts that you're going to need to remove in order to remove the throttle body. One is the throttle cable. As you can see, it's held on by a bracket and held on by a nut. Next is the fuel feed pipe or hose or whatever. As you can see, my one is top quality, never break or burst. Next is the sensors, two of them, one for TPS and another ISC. Next is the two injector plugs for both injectors, which is only two as I'm pointing at them. And also the fuel return hose held on by just a hose clamp. Next is a water coolant bypass hose from the throttle body to the intake manifold. Lastly, 3 vacuum hoses, which is black in color and rubber. Okay, let's remove the throttle body cable. First you're going to have to release the nut, which is 16mm I believe. When you do that, just fold it downwards and you'll be able to remove it from the throttle blade, the arm mechanism, like so. So put that aside. Next is a fuel feed. As you can see, basically those two bolts are 8mm, so loosen them off first with a ring spanner, then use a Phillips head screwdriver, which makes it very quick to remove. Remove it gently so you don't damage the O-ring that's in there. Put it aside like so. Injector plugs are straightforward, you just have to remove the clips and they come off that. Easy as, like so. Next are the two center plugs. That one's ICS. Next one is a TPS. Simple as, like so. A flat blade screwdriver will be needed in here. Loosen it off and just pull off the fuel hose. There are 3 vacuum hoses at the back of the throttle body. Remove 3 of them and that's it. Easy as, like so. Lastly, just get multigrips or nosepliers or whatever just to remove the clamp that's on the hose there, because that's part of the throttle body, or you can just remove it from the throttle body itself. I just decided to take it off from there. To prevent water going inside the intake manifold removing the throttle body, you have to remove the bottom radiator hose so the water exits, so there's no water in the top end of the engine, the throttle body, the head. So just enough. Lastly, just 4 12mm bolts. They held on. Now it's time to remove the throttle body. Nice and gently, raise it up. And as you can see, that's it. Only 25-minute job. This is simple as. Don't take it to your mechanics. To those people that take it to the mechanics, do it yourself for once. Get your hands dirty and do what you gotta do. Don't be wimpy or scared or whatever. Do it yourself for once at least. Don't get other people to do it all the time.